What's going on? We are back at Deer Valley. Today we're going to check out some children's adventure areas, which are designated off-trail areas here at Deer Valley. If you're like me and you're new to skiing, or you just want to get a little bit better at backcountry and skiing through trees, these children adventure areas are perfect for you. Let's go shred. All right, so on top of Flagstaff, where our first adventure area is going to be. It's where a majority of them are. If you're a beginner like me, these are perfect because they're technically made for ski school kids. All right. First up, Bucky's front yard. Rule of thumb, guys. Don't think. Don't look at the trees. Go for it. And if there's other people, just follow their path. And you kind of have an idea. Look at that. Nice. And easy. Make space for people. Booyah. Alright, that one's easy. That's your first one. Now we're gonna go to Quincys' cabin off of Lilly. So this is off of Lilly, Quincys' cabin, and Ruby's Roost. Let's go. This one's a little more popular. Usually, you can kind of hang out here. All right, here we go. There's Ruby's Roost. Some kind of fun things to do. Easy routes. Perfect for beginners. All right, let's do this. Rule of thumb, don't think, and don't look at the trees. Here we go. Oh. Yippee. There's 2 of our tree runs for the day. We'll go ahead. There's about 7 of those total, so we'll go take a look. Let's go shred. All right, so this is Enchanted Forest off of Red Cloud. I've actually never done this one. Let's check it out. Whee! Ooh, it's a tight fit. Well, here we go. Neat. Short one. Kind of fun. The Mount Daisy. I want to go to Gemini, so let's go this way. There's another one at Gemini. Wow! Alright. Let's assess what we got here. This is the first day on these new skis, so kind of taking it easy. Where's Gemini? this way. Hard cut there. All right, Stargazer, yeah. Stargazer takes me to Gemini. Oh, I might have missed it, shoot. Up, she back there. Stargazer. Gemini here on this right side. There's another one. Which might be right there. No, up here. These are all new to me. I've only done a handful of them. Ooh, choppy today. All right, Bucky's backyard. Here we go. And here's Bucky's backyard. Bucky had some good real estate here. Bucky. Look at that. Well, I decided to post up, take a little break. Why not? You know, it's been a good day out there. Well, keep her going. This will dump you off, I think, on Banner. Very powdery. Woo! Don't think, just do. There we go. That's fun. All right, that's 4 of the beginner tree runs. Let's go check out some more. Let's go shred. This one's off. Bandana and Lucky Jet. Rudy's Trail. Let's go check it out. Ooh. Deep here. Oh man. This is neat. Fun. Get a couple of those if you want. Oh, whoa. Woo. All right. That's a rough dismount, but we'll take it. That was fun. I never even knew that was there. I always go down Bandana to shoot 11 or Empire. I never take that Lucky Bill one. But, all right, we got one more to go. Let's go check it out. All right, so right here we got Silver Aspen Solemn. A little bit more difficult for some folk, but this will probably be the best tree training you can get. Let's go. trending along. I hope you enjoyed the adventure trails. Again, they're perfect for learning how to do backcountry, skiing through trees. Enjoy this video? Like, subscribe, share. Thanks for skiing with me, and we'll show you soon. Bye.